Everywhere don scatter for dis we country o, from just killings wey turn political gbas to celebrities dragging themselves like say na wrestling match. Cubana Chief Priest talk one thing wey make internet catch fire. Skales no even think twice, e blast am straight. For Nollywood, e be like say silent war don finally blow open between Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham. And as if dat one no reach, Mr. Macaroni don drop statement wey shock everybody about government o. Omo, dis gist plenty. Abeg, make you grab your drink and popcorn, no go anywhere, make we give una the full package. Wahala don start wen Cubana Chief Priest come out talk say the just killings na plan to embarrass Bola Tinubu on top im birthday matter. Omo, dat statement no sidon well with plenty pipo. Sharparly, Scales wey una sabi, e enter am fire am back. E call am delusional, straight up, no filter, no respect, just pure blast. Now Nigerians don decide again o. Some few pipo dem support Chief Priest, others say im talk e no get sense at all. Omo, politics plus tragedy equals to serious ten sion. Dis one na the real Nollywood gbas. All eyes dey on Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham after dat premiere wahala. Dem say Funke snub Toyin, just ignore am like say she no dey exist. Iyabo Ojo talk say Toyin break peace agreement. Kolawole Ajeyemi quietly react as the good husband wey no wan plenty talk. Mercy Aigbe sef don drop subtle message for dis same matter. Even Nkechi Blessing no keep quiet o, she fire critics join. And Toyin husband still come out come thank her for keeping quiet. Omo, dat one mean say something really dey happen behind the scenes. For dis matter, if you talk, you go collect. If you side one of the big ladies, you go collect too. If you no wan palava, sidon like us dey observe, dey laugh, dey gist. Make we enter another story. Actress Lillian Afegbua no hide her anger after AMVCA nomination miss her again. She vex say eat your reward. Omo, dat one no be small shading o. If person dey do well for movie industry, abeg make una give am award wey im deserve. Meanwhile, Opeyemi Aiyiola dey call out actors wey dey support politicians for shikini money. She talk say everything no be about money. No sell your vote for a bag of something wey no go last for life. Dat one hit deep because many pipo believe say Nollywood don turn political tool. Are you with us? If you get am for platform and you get plenty audience, use am well. Make una try dey support wetin good, no be wetin favour una. One fan tell Falz make him go marriage like other celebrities dem dey do. Dis statement e pain Falz. Falz no waste time, reply am, it is not your fault. No be your fault. You didn't knew that Anambra people their bride price is very expensive. This one na real Gbos. Mr. Macaroni came out talk say this na the most useless government ever. Omo, no sugarcoating o, no fear. That statement alone, e don spark serious debate for online. Some hail am, some say im go too far. But one thing sure, im talk wetin many pipo dem dey think for inside their own mind. Flavour don show off im oyibo babe wey from Italo come promise am love. Seyi Tinubu supporters still dey defend government moves. More celebrities dey enter politics discussion on dailies. Entertainment and politics don mix finish for inside dis we Naija. Drama no dey ever finish for inside dis we country o. From serious issues to celebrity wahala, everything just dey happen at once. You don hear all the gist? Drop your comments, and if you like dis kind gist, abeg like and help us subscribe, because na here everything dey burst first. It is sign out.